Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a car that's got everyone talking, the rumored 2025 Dodge Demon 340. While Dodge hasn't confirmed a Demon variant, that doesn't mean we can't speculate. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into what this beast could be. The Demon name screams muscle car, and we expect a head-turning design. Imagine a sculpted body with a wider stance than the Challenger. Dodge might throw in some retro touches, like Demon badging or design cues reminiscent of the 1971 model. But make no mistake, this would be a modern Demon with an aggressively sleek look. Dodge has been stepping up its game with interiors lately, and the Demon 340 should follow suit. Think premium materials, sporty yet comfortable seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. Technology will likely be a big focus too, with a top-notch infotainment system and a digital gauge cluster. However, this is still a Demon, so expect it to maintain a raw, performance-driven edge. This is where things get interesting. The name 340 inches has people guessing it could refer to horsepower, which would be a notable jump from the 2020 Demon's 800 horsepower. Another theory is that it's a trim level nodding to classic Mopar engines. Some even speculate a hybrid Demon, a powerful engine combined with electric power. Imagine the instant torque of electric meeting the tire-shredding fury of a gas engine. That would be a game changer. Pricing is purely speculative at this point, but considering the Demon's legacy and potential performance, expect a hefty price tag. This wouldn't be your everyday driver. It's for enthusiasts, a collector's item, and a symbol of automotive dominance. What do you think? Hybrid Demon, high horsepower monster, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this speculative look at the 2025 Dodge Demon 340, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more car content. Guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon button to get the latest videos. Thanks.